Well, a very warm welcome to Volvo Car UK's Training and Development Centre here in Daventry in Northamptonshire, right in the middle of the UK. And it's a site that we're very proud of. We've worked hard for the last 2 years and made an investment of £6 million. This is a very important building for us. Not just is it finished to the same standard that we present our brand to the customer now, and I talk about the Volvo Retail Experience programme that we're rolling out through our dealer network, but inside it's finished to do exactly what it needs to do, and that's to help with the learning, the training and the development of the dealership staff that are so important to our brand journey in the UK. You'll see a wonderful workshop equipped with all of the latest equipment that suits well the concepts that we are very focused on now, those of Volvo Personal Service, supporting the personal service technician. You'll see some great training rooms as well, where we can technically talk to our engineers and we can talk to our salespeople and administration staff about all of the things that will help them do their job. We've got big ambitions as a brand. We need to upskill and recruit more technicians. And of course, in terms of our market share, we will be a 2% market share brand by 2020. But it's an objective which we can achieve. And what you'll sense as you go around today is that we've put a real thought and a real investment into that support of our retailer network in this facility.